So I'm here in Santan Valley, Arizona, and I am with Artis Johnson, the owner of this beautiful black C8 that we are going to be putting some doors on today. So this thing obviously stands out. Like, I don't recognize some of these things. I've not seen these on them. What all have you done to this so far?
I added a front lip that's kind of extreme, but since it makes the car look bigger, so I added this, got it wrapped. I replaced the brakes because the ones that came with the car had a lot of dust. So I put those on, and I really get dust brake now. Then I did the side skirts, kind of extreme to match the front. I did a rear diffuser that makes it stands out a little bit.
What is on the top? I've never seen that before.
Okay, this is, I forgot what they call it, but it keeps the wind pushing down on your car. So if you're racing, it'll make your car handle better.
Okay.
And this back here is just a wing because there's a hole, a gap back there. And I just thought it looked kind of sexy.
It does, it looks kind of cool.
And then I added the blackout kit for the lights. And then—
really good. Popping the trunk on us.
So then what I did, I bought a kit because back here it's all metal. So I did a carbon fiber kit back here. And then I have a lights that lights up the engine bay at night. I tinted the window. Then I just added a cover for the trunk. And then
a lot of that. And then, I mean, the list keeps going. And
then the front, I added a carbon fiber kit. Then I just changed the knobs, replaced the knobs. Okay. So it basically is red and black.
This is definitely a very impressive accessorized C8, and I've seen a lot. Yeah. I mean, I've seen a lot of them, and this by far, I'm seeing some things I've never seen before. So why, might be a dumb question, what about the doors? What made you want the doors? And then also why the V2 series and not the other brands that are on the market?
I wanted the doors because every time I go to the dealership, they tell me I should go to car meets because my car stands out, I'm ready. But then I watched you on YouTube and I said, I gotta have that. And then my wife seen it, she said, you gotta have it. So I had to have it. But the reason why I went with you guys, first of all, you make them. So there's custom made. And then, you can add the color and everything. So when I saw you actually making them, I had to go with you guys. And then you're local, so I always like to use local.
No,
it's important, yeah. Because I've seen some other places where they in, I want to say San Diego, in California.
Okay, yeah.
And I was like, nah, they're just, what do you call it? They just have them in stock, so everybody's got the same one.
Yeah.
So I said, no, I'm gonna go with you. You're here in Arizona, and then you come to the house. I like your work.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
For sure. It is a beautiful, beautiful car. And what year is this?
24.
2024. It's a beautiful car, and I look forward to cutting it up for you.
Yeah.
And making it a little bit more, you and what you want, and to be able to do your modification for you.
Yeah.
Brings me joy to cut up your car for you.
Thank you. And the whole car is wrapped clear.
Oh, is it? Okay.
PPF.
I thought so. It looked very,
That's
very shiny.
why it shines all the time.
It looked very, very shiny. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. And feel free to come out whenever you want. If you have any questions, definitely let us know. All right, guys, well, we're gonna go ahead and unload our vehicle and get our stuff going and get it in. I've got Hooker here today with me, which is also rare. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one busted out as soon as we possibly can. And yeah, so we'll see you later. Artis, what do you think?
Fantastic.
Is it what you thought it was going to be?
Yeah, I've been watching you guys. I like the way the doors go up. That made a big difference. The other ones I saw on YouTube, they kind of went out like a butterfly, but this is it.
It's straight up, more straight, more tighter to the vehicle.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, I like this. Yeah, it sets it off.
I haven't walked you through this yet to even show you how to do the door. Typically, I don't like to put you on the spot.
Right.
You're going to make mistakes.
Yeah.
I generally like to have customers have at least 2 or 3 times, but let's go ahead and get you set up on how to do the door so you can kind of tell everyone how you feel using the door. So Artis is going to show us how he is you know, gets in and out of the car. He's already obviously sitting in there, which is fine, but was it easier to get in?
Oh, yes. Oh,
Was it
yeah.
much easier than before?
Oh, yeah. I was crawling out.
So go ahead and show us the closing procedure, and then, you know, you'll open it
Okay.
from there.
All right, so go down. Stop. Close. And the thing I like about this, it makes you stop. So you don't have to worry about going too far.
Yeah.
And then when you just go up, you pretty much grab it from here and just slide down.
Yeah.
That's nice.
You have to make it almost as bulletproof as possible, because you can't think of every scenario, everything that's gonna be put through. You just have to make it as strong as you possibly can. It's designed, you design for longevity. You can't design for, it's inevitably gonna fail. Everything that's man-made is inevitably gonna fail, but the difference is, can you get 20 years out of it? Can you get 5 years out of it? Can you get, you know, 6 months out of it? And we want to obviously maximize as much, so we want to prevent premature lift, damage such as that, valets, you know, I mean, there's so many different scenarios that you just want to make it as strong as possible. But all in all, you think it was better? It's easier getting in and out?
Yeah, it's much better. And I'm gonna be honest, the price is great.
Is it?
Yeah, you can't beat the price.
Okay, so effective immediately, we're gonna increase. How
Yeah.
much would be too much?
You know, it all depends on who you're dealing with. You know, you never want to sell yourself short.
Yeah.
But by you guys coming out here and everything, and just how you guys are professional, it's worth it.
You notice he was looking at me when he said professional, right? Yeah, he didn't glance your way. I'm like right in front of you,
Yeah.
so I can see how you would think. Cause like, see,
Yeah.
I
And
see you. I don't see you now. I see you.
And then I like the red shocks.
So you glad you went with red?
Yes, that's the wife. The wife said go red. I hate red, but she was right again. So I know she's at work jumping up and down. No, this is nice. I'm happy with it.
You think she's gonna be happy?
Oh yeah. She's more excited than I am. But like I said, I'm gonna give the car to her as soon as she's retired.
Nice.
So this is my hobby now since I'm not working.
Yeah.
So I gotta buy something else and trick it out.
The joys of retirement is now you have to have hobbies and you have to have something to do, because you would just go stir crazy, I would imagine.
Oh yeah.
If you don't stay busy, if you don't
Yeah.
keep moving, keep doing something, you'll just drive yourself nuts.
But no, being able to get out the car now is fantastic.
So do you think that there's more room for your legs? I mean, obviously,
Yeah.
you're able to swing them in and out.
Yeah.
Again, had some assistance from the non-professional here. I mean, how many sets of gloves did you go through? My point exactly. It wasn't one set of gloves.
And you guys make a good team.
He had to go make multiple sets of gloves. Then we had to wipe it down from fingerprints because gloves broke. It's okay, I get it.
Nah, that red is popping though. She was
I
right.
get it. I'm just giving you crap. Pick your.
Cassidy going on in this video right now.
Always has to go racial. No, Artis, it was truly a pleasure.
Yeah.
For both of us, it was our pleasure.
I appreciate it.
It was a pleasure meeting you. It was a pleasure
yes.
thank you for letting us work on your beautiful car.
Thank
The
you.
wife is gonna be happy.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
all that we care about. And obviously you being happy,
That's all I need.
and that she knew what was going on. She was excited about it.
She's ready.
And that's a rarity, you know, for the wives, the significant other to,
Yeah.
it's,
Oh,
I'm more excited than husband.
Oh, we should see the car she has. She has a Camry TRD.
oh, really?
So she likes to race.
Oh Lord.
So she's in the cars. Yeah. She's different.
And what does she do? currently?
She's a assistant station manager for Southwest Airlines, Sky Harbor Airport.
Okay.
And then she's a boss at work and she's a boss here, so it works out. But no, she's excited.
Well, that's good. Well, until next time, guys, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, you can definitely get a hold of us on our website, on our online chat. You can give us a call, 1-800-339-6544.
These are engraved with your name.
And
Okay.
we're waiting for your call.
Oh, okay.
When the
Get 'em
time
now.
comes, and if you want
Have
to
a
get
good one.
different copy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it don't matter.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, she cool. So, man, this is a whole different car now. God, okay. But you guys do have a good price, though. Don't, you know, just let
We
you
used
know.
to. It's gonna go up
I'm
now.
gonna let you know. You have a damn good price. Cause I've been watching what I ain't gonna mention that other company, but
Yeah. I mean,
but the doors,
Yeah.
the way they up like now, it's can't beat it. That's the key. That's the key.
overall quality. I mean, it's about being different,
Yeah.
you know, and that was kind of the thing, you know, back even in the days with the V1, it was okay. You know, what happened, the falling out between us and them happened. It was what it was. They caused the problems that they caused.
Mm-hmm.
And what do we do? And we had to decide, and we decided to design a kit. And so we already knew from all the years of experience of doing this is what we didn't want to like have our kit do and how we didn't want our kit to function. We had an idea of what we would like to have based on boots on the ground customers, you know, and just it was about designing it and building it and setting out to do that. So I think with our number one focus of being different, I think that's what separates us more so from them than anything else, is that how many different ways can you bottle water? Obviously, I get it. You can make design changes and it could be a square bottle or, you know, an oval or whatever. But at the end of the day, that's a night and day difference between the V2 and them, for sure. So I appreciate hearing, you know, that actually being said to us from a customer standpoint. They acknowledged our attempts to be different too.
And then you guys handmade, that's a big difference also.
Yeah, everything is painstakingly hand done.
Everything is handmade. I watch you do it, so I get it. But no, I appreciate everything.
I only break a few bits.
A few? A day? A week? Like, what's your definition of a few?
Yeah, are you still recording?
I'm just, but it's
Okay.
not that it's gonna make it into anything, but.
Because all my neighbors think I'm a drug dealer anyway.
Oh, really? Artis is not a drug, you're not a drug dealer, right?
No.
He is not a drug dealer, neighbors.
Because it's like the first car I had, and I got this, and I never go to work. So I know they're wondering.